everybody. Welcome back to the Real Estate Talk with Mark Cannon. That's me. So today we're going to go over December 2022 monthly analysis, and we'll kind of take a look back at 2022 and see where we've come from. So first and foremost, right now, where do we stand as far as volume, number of houses on the market? So last month, we had come down a little bit. It was like, okay, we'll have to see where we are. But right now, we are just under 18,000. So we're at like 17,700, somewhere in that realm. And that's active and coming soon. And that's a drop. As I've said in the past, normal in the Phoenix market's about 25, 30,000. That's a normal, balanced market. We still haven't gotten there. Obviously, looking back at this year, in May, at the very beginning of May, we had like 4,500 homes on the market, barely. Now we're all the way up to 17,000. We were up to almost 21,000. Then we dropped down some. Why did we drop? So first and foremost, it's the holidays. Thanksgiving's here. Christmas is here. New Year's. People don't want to show their houses. That's plain and simple. They're just like, you know what? I don't want to. So people aren't listing their homes. So we don't have more homes coming on the market. And some people even took their homes off the market and said, you know what? I'll try again next year. And we're seeing that a lot. A lot of people are talking about, the market might crash, all this stuff. Again, go watch some of my other videos because that's not happening right now. But what a lot of people are doing, and I've even had some clients do this myself, where they have said, you know what, here's the point. If I can't make this, I'm going to pull my house off the market. And that's what's been happening. We've seen a lot of people pull their homes off the market because they didn't get what they wanted. And they said, you know what, I'll wait until interest rates come down, then I'll try. A lot of the people we are seeing selling and buying homes right now are people that are, hey, I have to move, or you know what, it's that time, I can finally afford to buy. So that's the kind of things that are going on right now. So some people are concerned, and I get it, because right now we're just under 18,000 homes on the market. So we've gone down 3,000 or 4,000 in the past month to 2 months. Not what we were expecting, but because of the holidays and interest rates still being above 6%, it's one of those that you're seeing people go, you know what, maybe I'm just going to hold on. Obviously there's a lot of different factors coming in, but next month in January, we'll have to see, are we going to rise in volume? That's going to be the real question, is do we see people start coming back in? Now, when we talk about interest rates, obviously interest rates are still high, so people are saying, you know what, I'm not sure if I want to buy or sell. But what we have seen from interest rates the past 2 months is they've been coming down. So we've seen interest rates, they're now down. I'm seeing interest rates for people below 6% now, in the high fives. And so it's one of those that because of that, if interest rates continue to come down, we're going to see continued interest in buyers. So we could see that a lot of these homes are coming on the market, and then homes are going off the market because we have more buyers coming in because interest rates are coming down. So that is something to be watching for, because we want to be up near 25,000, 30,000 homes on the market for a balanced market. But if we don't get there, it's going to be as more buyers come into the market, because there's a lot of buyers last year and this year that said, you know what, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to buy. So maybe it's the time for them to come back in and be ready to buy here in 2023. So that's what a lot of people have been asking me. Is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell? Again, it all depends on your situation. So it depends on how much equity if you have in your house, if you're looking to sell, and what you're trying to get out of it. You want someone who's going to give you an honest opinion, not just someone who's trying to get a listing. But on the buy side, it is a great opportunity to buy because you're able to negotiate. We're able to negotiate for seller concessions. We're able to negotiate on the price. We're able to negotiate to where the seller can buy down your rate. There's a lot of different things that you can negotiate right now. And if you're able to buy, you can. But again, it's all based on each individual person's circumstances. So that's the biggest thing. So looking back from this year, we came from a crazy market, the end of 2021 into 2022, where, we literally had 3,000 to 4,000 homes on the market at one time, which is nuts. That's absolutely nuts. And you guys remember it. People were offering $10,000, $20,000 over asking price to win. And then it switched. Right there in May is when we started gaining volume. From May to July, we gained anywhere, I think it was 13,000 or 14,000 homes on the market, which was a good thing for buyers. And then come about July, August, we really felt it, where it was like, whoa, there was a change. And now it's not a seller's market anymore, even though the numbers still technically say it's a seller's market. It's not, because it's one of those that we're able to negotiate. We're able to do things where sellers felt kind of panicked, where I got to make a deal. And so it's one of those that we've come a long way in a lot of different momentums. 2023 is going to be interesting because a lot of experts are saying interest rates are coming down. And if interest rates are coming down, that's going to be good for buyers. And it'll be good for sellers because their houses probably won't sit as long. Houses are sitting anywhere from 45 to 65 days right now on market. Some of that is due to overpricing, but some of that is also due to just not as many buyers in the market. So there's a lot of different things that could happen in 2023. So we're interested to see how it's going. I think it's a great opportunity still, depending on your circumstance. But obviously, if you're able to, if you have questions, reach out to me. Would love to interact with you guys. If you have any questions going into the new year, would love to be able to help you. Obviously, some big announcements are going to be coming from me in January. You're going to be doing some different things, so there will be some videos on that. But I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.